I need to get wet. Here we go.
Fun?
It's not fun.
So babe, what do we do in a squall situation?
We roll in the front sail to reduce sail area. We bear off about 155 to 160 degrees, so there's no danger of a jibe. And we maintain course till the squall passes. What blue the sea is in front of you.
You coming in or not? Captain gives in. Now he comes inside.
Monitor it from down here. I need to get wet. Exactly 899.9 nautical miles away from Solution.
Really? That's how many days? Another 5 days?
Yep. We're about 700 nautical miles away from the finish. We had a ripper of a day yesterday. We pushed the boat pretty hard. We started off with the squalls, but we got sick and tired of rolling into headsail, so we decided to just leave it out. So we had squalls pushing us along quite nicely. Probably had about 15 of them for a period of 12 hours. Then we decided to keep pushing the boat to try and get a good result. So we clocked a 220-mile day, which is pretty amazing.
Wow.
This morning we woke up to a beautiful, clear day with barely a cloud in the sky. Now we're doing about 8 knots on average. Still doing pretty good time. The sea has calmed down a little bit. The wind's calmed down a little bit. And Zin's just ripped up I don't know, this is what we call extreme cooking.
Today is day 14 of our Atlantic crossing. It's pretty light wind, 10 to 12 knots from behind, and we're just cruising with the spinnaker at around 6 knots of bow speed. Sea is very calm, so it's actually very enjoyable. we had a few squalls again this morning between 3 and 5 a.m. We didn't even roll in the front sail. We just gotten so relaxed about the squall situation. Luckily there weren't anything scary, so yeah, we were okay. And the boat's okay. But around lunchtime today we had another incident.
We lost the nut and the main sheet attachment came off, so we had to improvise as we have no spare nuts on board. So we took a nut from the headsail halyard block. Thankfully it was in the middle of the day with very light winds, otherwise it could have been a disaster. I think we need to be more vigilant in checking our rig in these sort of long crossings. Just gonna re-rig the preventer.
Yeah. Whoa! Should I close it off a bit? Hey, just be careful with your hair.
Alright, go.
Okay.
The sauce doesn't look very appetizing.
That's good.
What happened to it?
It's just a bit watery.
Not much to report today. A few squalls this morning kept us on our toes. Probably the most vicious squall we've had the whole trip. Got about 30 or so knots of wind with like pretty heavy rains. Then ended up being a very clear day. Very light winds. Oh wait.
What's that?
Just phantom. Light winds. And we're supposed to have a change tonight with some stronger winds and squally weather, so it should be fun. We've got 2 more nights to go, and we should be at a bosom of Rodney Marina.
Quite windy at the moment. We have about 20 to 22 knots of wind from behind, and we're doing about 8 knots of bow speed, so no complaint there. Our current ETA to St. Lucia is tomorrow, just before sunset. out last night, and then Miss making us some late night dessert. Emmy, I'm ready.
White or black?
What?
All right, off you go.
I just beat a mirror in chess. It's a checkmate, isn't it?
Yes, it is, babe.
How would you describe your loss? Morning, babe.
Morning.
How's it going?
Not bad. 17, 18 knots of wind. Flying full head of sails, spinnaker. Got about 6 to 7 hours to go. Last day. Had a good night.
CLG has increased. We might not need to drive.
Yeah, it has. So I go back to 239. Okay, so if we maintain above 239, then we should be fine. I think that's some sort of a code zero. You know what they say? If there's two boats in the water, it's a race. And even though they're bigger and faster, it doesn't stop us from trying to outrun them. We are in front of them now, but they're catching up pretty quickly. We don't have a very good angle around the point. I fell asleep this morning, so I wasn't paying attention. So we had to do a bit of a maneuver, go dead downwind, which means we're going a bit slower. He's catching up pretty fast. But as soon as we turn the corner, we should get our speed back. See, we're only doing like 5 knots. What we're doing is as soon as we run Pigeon Islands, we're going to be heading into the wind. So as soon as we're around there, I'll give the go ahead. We're going to furl in the spinnaker and drop it. And as soon as we dropped it, we're going to furl out the headsail and start heading upwind towards the finish line. Arc finish line, arc finish line, arc finish line. This is sailing vessel Hugo, over. This is Hugo coming up to the Pigeon Islands.
Sorry?
Ready? Let's go. Alright, I need to adjust the sail. Alright, do you want to loosen the front sail a little bit now?
Yeah.
Here we go.
Just past the finishing line!
16:55.
Babe! Oh my gosh!
Time is in UTC, so the finish time is 16:55 and 50 seconds. Over.